good time! Hello ladies and gentlemen, another road test, another car. We've stepped up again, bike engine time. I'm not too sure how well you can all hear me, it's a little bit windy today. But we are having a good time. We are certainly having a good time. Oh my God. So I'm in the Sport 200 today. It's a Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 2 engine. Whole car wet, weighs around 460, 470 kilo. Now as you can tell, I've got no screen on this car. Now, you go over 40, 50 mile an hour, my cheeks end up back there somewhere, and I look like a terrible Hollywood celebrity. Oh, this is bliss. I don't need to do a review, I don't. You just need to listen to bike engine noise. Just this. MK have found the cure for depression. We have manufactured the cure for depression. This is it. This is the cure for depression. You could have had the worst day at work ever. If your drive home from work is in this car, you will be a happier person for it. Oh. Just need to listen. That's it. No review. No, just audio. You don't even, well, you do need to see my face and watch my cheese go half a mile backwards. Oh, drooling. So if we've spoken before, you know full well I'm a fan of the base Mazda build. I might have to change my mind. The steering is so light in comparison to the Mazda or the K20. You've got so little weight to move around. You can drive with one hand in this car. I mean, you wouldn't want to by any stretch of the imagination, but you could. You certainly could. This sequential gearbox, so easy to use. As soon as you get to grips with the way the sequential box works and how it operates and the gears you need to be in, it's just as easy as a manual. If you've come from a bike background, trust me, this isn't too far different. The power band is, you're almost always in the power band. If the revs dip below sort of 3,000, yeah, you start lagging a little bit and you get a little bit of a bump up. The grip is absolutely unreal. So I'm going very steady. It's quite a windy, overcast day, not a lot of temperature in the road, so I'm trying to be a bit sensible. So I'm using the clutch at low speeds. Which is what you're going to want to do. But as soon as you start putting the power down, I'm a fan. I have been converted. The feeling you get from this bike engine, it's the same emotional feeling you have from riding the bike. It's the sound of theatre. The emotion, it's so, I'm lost for words. So lost for words.